Back at you once again. It's your boy, That Boy Can Cook. Today, we got a delicious pot roast. Delicious pot roast going on. Another comfort food, baby. Yeah, check us out. Check us out now. Check us out. That's that pot roast. Now let's get it. We got our chuck pot roast. Bam. Pot roast seasoning. I'll make sure I leave measurements and ingredients in the description. Beef base. And remember, guys, cornstarch to thicken it up a little bit. Water. And olive oil. Onion, 3 carrots, and 2 celery stalks. Roughly nice. And we got potatoes. Now that is everything you're gonna need for this delicious homemade pot roast. All right, now let's go ahead and get our chuck roast seasoned so we can sit this boy off. And since it's a little too big, it'll fit, but since it's a little too big for the pot, I'm just gonna go ahead and cut it down. And that way we can go ahead and season this boy with our pot roast seasoning. So just generously season that thing up. We are well seasoned. Let's go ahead and get our pot roast seared off. Let's go ahead and add our olive oil to our Insta-Pot. Be hot, there we go. So make sure you get some of that olive oil. So you want to turn it on the highest setting and then just let the boy sear. All right, as you can see, we have our chuck roast, pot roast, seared how we want it to be. So let's go ahead and add all of our, we're gonna leave what we use from the sear in here. We're not gonna clean it or nothing. Let's go ahead and add all our veggies. Let's just saute those up for about, let's say, a minute or 2 to 3 minutes. Get those good and ready. There we go. All righty. So that's what we need to be with that. Let's go ahead and get this beef base in here. Let's just get that all mixed in as well. Let's go ahead and get our cornstarch in there. It's gonna be to thicken our gravy up. Now let's go ahead and get our water in here. Just mix it up. Make sure everything is off at the bottom. The hard part is done, y'all. So now we're just gonna take our chuck roast that we nicely seared. Look at that. Yeah. Let's go ahead and get that in there. Let's get the other one in here as well. There it is. Now all we're going to do is put a lid on it. Well, not put a lid on it, put the pressure top on it. Make sure that you close your vent. And we're just going to let this boy cook down for about 30 minutes. 30 to 35 minutes. Yeah. So let's go ahead and get our, there we go. Get our lid on there. And make sure your pressure is put on there. Now let's set it and we're gonna be ready to go. All right, we done had our pot roast in here. about 30 minutes. Let's go ahead and get our potatoes. Let me show you real quick. See, we getting there. Once these potatoes get through cooking, and meat gonna be just tender. We getting there, y'all. Yeah, give me another piece. We getting there, look at that. Yeah, we getting there. So let's get our potatoes. We're gonna put the lid on it, put that pressure back on it, and then we're gonna cook it for about another 15 minutes. It's gonna be all said and done. So let's get this on here. Sealed. There it is. Get that pressure. All right now. All right, family, I'm pretty sure we all done. Let's go ahead and let the pressure, let that pressure go. Get that out the way. It'll take a few minutes, couple minutes, not too long. See what we got up in here. Let's see. Ooh, there it is. Look at that. It's the rich pot roast. Ooh, there it is. Let's get that piece. Yeah. There we go. And potatoes is just as soft. Yeah. We ready. We ready. Let's plate this thing up. And that's gonna be it. That's gonna be all, family. In a minute. All right, family. That's it. That's all. We got another one under our belt. That good old delicious pot roast, baby. Comfort food, baby. Yeah. It's tasty. Look at that. Pot roast. In your face. Yeah. Oh, so tender. Can't forget the potatoes. In your face. Whew, that wasn't cooked. Like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you hit the notification bell so you know what we're doing, when we're doing it. Till the next time, that boy can cook. Out the place, out your face.